Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to take Tally Prime backup, only ways. Open Tally Prime and go to the Company Gateway screen, then press Alt+K to open Company Utilities and choose Backup. Select a secure destination like an external drive or cloud folder, enable all masters and transactions, and start the backup. Verify the backup file size and timestamp after completion, and keep a secondary copy for extra safety. Configure backup settings clearly before running the process so you avoid mistakes. Point the destination to an external drive or cloud folder, toggle compression if you want smaller files, and include a clear file name with date and company name. Turn on automatic scheduling if your environment supports it, and test the first scheduled backup immediately. Consistent names and locations make restores faster and reduce chance of human error. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks that hold up through long office hours and backups, and they come with a lifetime warranty, which feels as reliable as your backup strategy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After creating a backup, always verify by restoring to a test company and checking masters, ledgers, and transactions for completeness. Confirm balances match and run a quick audit or report to validate totals. Maintain at least 2 backups in separate locations, such as an external drive plus cloud, and rotate them regularly. Regular verification builds confidence in your process and ensures you can recover quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.